Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as either a running flat wave C, which I think will either go out to the 123 at 100% Fibonacci extension, maybe end up looking something like that, or possibly it's a running flat, and if it is a running flat, then it's likely to go out to the 178 or the 161.8, probably taking out these previous highs to make either a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely do have an alternative count on this, but we have not closed below the 78% yet. So I'm definitely still using my bullish count, which is this is a wave 1, this is a WXY of wave 2, and that would make this a 1 of 3, this a 2 of 3, and this is eventually going to keep on going up for a wave 3 of wave 3. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this 5 ways up as a wave 1. I still think there's a possibility this is a wave 2. The trend is definitely still down for me until we get a break of structure to the upside, which we definitely do not have yet. We are sitting at the 78% level, but I mean, like I've been saying, I do have an alternative count that would possibly have this going down quite a bit more, taking out these previous highs. But if the market does decide to turn here at the 78%, go up, break structure, that's pretty much going to prove to me that we have the end of a correction, and that should be the continuation of the uptrend for a big wave 3. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. We are trying to learn and earn at the same time whether this move down or this move up is a correction to this move down, or whether this is actually a Fibonacci bounce that's going to actually keep on going up and breaking structure. If it does go up and break structure, that's definitely going to turn me into a buyer. If it doesn't go up and break structure, instead makes 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level with an impulsive move down, then I definitely will go short on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, kind of looks like we already got the end of a correction right here. I mean, it definitely is 1, 2, 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level. Definitely a nice impulsive move down. Like I was saying on the 4 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend at the end of 3 way pullbacks. I also see that this is a 78% Fibonacci area, and there is also a chance that this keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, and goes up and breaks structure. If it does go up and break structure, that is definitely going to turn me into a buyer. As of right now, since the trend is technically down on all my higher roadmap time frames, I am definitely looking for shorts at the end of 3 way pullbacks. I'm actually short on the euro dollar right now, right here. If it goes up and breaks structure to the upside right here, then obviously that's an invalid trade, but it doesn't mean that this is still not a correction to the last push down. So I'm definitely still looking for 3 waves up. I'm definitely still looking for impulsive down, just like this right here. 1, 2, 3 waves up. 1, 2, 3 waves up. So that's exactly what I'm looking for entries to go short for the continuation of this downtrend until the higher roadmap time frames break structure to the upside, proving that this really is the end of a wave 2 on the higher time frames, which it definitely has not done yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.